Make a great choice today with the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, tow hitch, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.